Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I have here one more successful repair and I will be showing you in this video how to waste your time. Let's watch it. So, here I have iPhone 7 in rose gold. Body condition is okay, but the screen is very scratched and it has two scuffs here. So if the phone will be working, screen will need to be replaced. Yeah, screws present, grills are dirty, buttons press, home button looks intact, camera is okay, grills are dirty again from here. This works, buttons work. Alright, let's try to power it on. Yeah, phone will power on now. Okay, we have a charging port issue. Back camera works. Yeah, front camera works as well. Okay.
Emergency, which service?
Okay, so audio SC is working. Hello, hello, hello. Aha. We don't have microphone completely. It's completely black. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, microphone is completely dead. Okay, but audio SC is present. That's good. Cameras work. What we have else? Wi-Fi works. Sound is there. 32 gigabytes. Battery is 82%. We probably have to replace battery as well, just in case. Yeah, the Touch ID works. Okay, so this probably will be very simple microphone replacement and then battery replacement with a screen replacement as well. So let's do that. So let's replace microphone. Okay, so we have here microphone. Actual flex looks good, it's not broken, so we don't have to replace full charging port. We'll be just replacing a microphone there. Alright, so let's take it off. Okay, it's out. So pads are tinned. Now I will be taking microphone from the front flex, because I have non-working front flex here. I think on this one microphone works, but the front camera doesn't. But microphones should be the same, I think. So we'll do that first and see. If it will not work, we will find another not working flex and try again. It's not perfect, it might not work, as it didn't go from first try and I moved a bit in the process. But we'll check it anyway. Hello. Yeah, it's still not working because I did a mistake there. So let's repeat. So pads, let's thin a little bit again. Should be fine. Now I have here two charging ports. they are not working, but I'm not sure this microphone works or not, so we'll be just taking it off and testing. I'm probably wasting time, but I'm not spending money. Okay, so let's wait a bit and check again. So we have audio IC now, yeah? Yeah, audio vent. So now we have to fix audio IC first, and then we will be checking microphone then. Okay, chip is out. Let's do the jumpers. First ready. Yeah, that moves as well. As you can see, that moves. Ah, I broke my cable. I will have to use them now. Okay, last one. Okay, that's it. That's it. Let's clean. Yeah, should be fine. Let's wait a bit and test microphone and audio. Okay, phone is up. Let's test microphone. Hello, hello. Okay, audio is working, but microphone is not working. So previous microphone replacement was not successful. Luckily I have one more flex that is replaced from some other phone that's supposed to be not charging or not bad or badly charging. Hopefully microphone works here. Yeah, we do have audio, but we don't have proximity. Okay, let's take out microphone again. Okay, let's try one more time. I don't have any more broken parts, so if that will not work, I will replace straight away a new charging port. I burned this little bit, but that's okay. That's not really important. So let's test microphone. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And microphone works, yeah. So that's it. I have to replace a battery and the screen, and this repair is finished. So in the start of the video I noticed that the charging port is not working. Yeah, and that's how you should not do. I forgot about that, I fixed everything, and now phone is assembled, ready for sale, but the charging port is still not good. Yeah, so now I have to disassemble the phone, waste a lot of time. I replace a charging port that includes a microphone that I already replaced and fixed. So let's talk numbers. This is iPhone 7 32GB ROS unlocked. I mean, number ends with these digits. The first problem with that phone was that I noticed straight away is charging port issue. So the charging port was charging, but when you move it, it's kind of a disconnect. After phone powered on, I noticed that the microphone is completely dead and not working. And while I was replacing the microphone, I noticed that audio IC went, so it was again coming and going. Yeah, so I took a board out, I fixed the audio IC issue, and second attempt on the microphone didn't work, so I did the third attempt that worked. So I fixed the microphone, then I noticed that we have to replace battery. In the end I replaced the screen, assembled the phone back, and then only then I noticed that the charging issue is still there. So after that I had to disassemble the phone again, replace charging port, assemble the phone again, and that's done. So now phone is fully working. So about the parts, I replaced charging port, that was €5. I replaced the battery, that is €8. I replaced the screen, that is €18, and I'm adding charger as well. So total here is 31 and 150. Yeah, I will be selling this phone for €145 to CX. They give €145 for the iPhone 7 32GB Rose Gold unlocked in B grade. And on this phone I am making €63.71, and that is 130% on my money there. In the end I spent about hour and a half. I wasted about hour and a half on this phone, but that's my mistake. So total profit is €518 now, and it is 53% on my initial investment. I spent 28 hours and 30 minutes, and hourly rate is €18.20. One more phone to go. So it is quite important to remember what you tested in the first place, and then to not waste time, do that straight away. Otherwise I don't know what I was thinking, that I figured out the charging port is not working and then the microphone is not working, and after this I decided to replace a microphone, but the charging port and the microphone is on the same part there. Anyhow, the phone is fixed and I have one more phone to go, but you will see that in the next video.